Hello everyone, welcome back in your GK class. Today we will discuss Indians who were pioneers in their fields. We will know who were the first person to go into space from India, to play cricket from India and many more. Our first question is, who was the first Governor General of India? Answer will be William Bentinck. His full name was Lord William Henry Candice Bentinck, and he served as Governor General of India from 1828 to 1835. During his time, Sati was banned. Next question is, who was the first Prime Minister of Free India? Answer will be Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is also known as Chacha Nehru, and he was the first Prime Minister of India and longest serving Prime Minister of India. Next question is, who was the first President of India? Answer will be Rajendra Prasad. He was the President of the Constituent Assembly and he was the President of India from 1952 to 1962. Question is, who was the first Viceroy of India? Answer will be Lord Canning. And during his time, 3 universities at Calcutta, Madras and Bombay established, and during his time, revolt of 1857 happened. Next question is, who was the first Governor General of Free India? Answer will be Lord Mountbatten, and he was the last Viceroy of India in 1947 and the first Governor General of Independent Dominion of India 1947 to 1948. Our next question is, who was the first Muslim President of Indian National Congress? Answer will be Badruddin Tayyabji. Our next question is, who was the first Prime Minister of India who did not face the Parliament? Answer will be Charan Singh, and he was serving as a Prime Minister from 28 July 1979 to 14 January 1980, and he did not face the Parliament. Our next question is, who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer will be Ganesh Vasudeva Mavlankar, G.B. Mavlankar, and he also known as a Dada Saheb. He was the Speaker of Constituent Assembly of India. Next question is, who was the first Education Minister of India? Answer will be Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was the first Education Minister of India. Next question is, who was the first Indian Governor General of India? C. Rajgopala Acharya. He is also known as Rajaji or CR, and he was the first Indian Governor General of Free India. Next one is Dr. Zakir Hussain. He was the first Muslim President of India and he was the first President of India who died while in office, and he was awarded the Bharat Ratna. Next one is, who was the first person to stay in Rashtrapati Bhavan? Answer will be Lord Irwin. Lord Irwin was the first person to stay in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Next question is, who was the first Prime Minister of India who resigned without completing the full term? Answer will be Morarji Desai. Who was the first President of National Congress? W.C. Banerjee. W.C. Banerjee was the first President of National Congress. His full name was Bomesh Chandra Banerjee. Our next question is, who was the first Home Minister of India? Answer will be Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India and he was known as Iron Man of India. He started Bardoli Satyagraha. Who was the first Indian Judge of International Court of Justice? Answer will be Dr. Nagendra Singh. Dr. Nagendra Singh was the first Indian Judge of International Court of Justice. Next question is, who was the first Indian Managing Director of the World Bank? Answer will be Gautam Kaji. Who is the first Governor of Reserve Bank of India? Answer will be Sir Osborne Smith. Sir Osborne Smith was the first Governor of Reserve Bank of India. Do you know who is the current Governor of RBI, Reserve Bank of India? Answer is Shaktikant Das. Who was the first Indian to join the ICS? Answer will be Satyendra Nath Tagore. ICS means Indian Civil Service. Dr. Satyendra Nath Tagore was the first Indian to join the Indian Civil Service. Who was the first man to introduce printing press in India? Answer will be James Hickey. James Augustus Hickey was an Irishman who launched the first printing newspaper of India in January 1780. Our next question is, who was the Field Marshal of India? SHFJ Manekshaw. He was the first Field Marshal of India and he is popularly known as Sham Bahadur. Sham means brave. He was the chief of the army staff of the Indian Army during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971. Who was the first Indian commander of chief in India? Answer will be K.M. Cariappa. K.M. Cariappa was the first Indian commander-in-chief of the Indian Army. Next question is, who was the first Indian Air Marshal? Answer will be Subrata Mukherjee. Subrata Mukherjee was the first Indian Air Marshal and he also known as the father of Indian Air Force. Who was the first Indian Naval Chief of India? Answer will be Viceroy Admiral R.D. Katari. Viceroy Admiral R.D. Katari was the first Indian Naval Chief of India. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize. The Nobel Prize in Literature 1913 was awarded to Rabindranath Tagore. He also wrote the national anthem of our country. Who was the first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics? Answer will be C.V. Raman. The full name of C.V. Raman was Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. He got the Nobel Prize in Physics. Who was the first person to receive Nobel Prize in Economics? Answer will be Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen was the first Indian to got the Nobel Prize in Economics for his contribution to welfare economics. Who was the first person to Indian origin to get Nobel Prize in Medicine? Answer will be Hargobind Khurana. Hargobind Khurana was the first person to Indian origin to get Nobel Prize in Medicine. Who was the first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award? Answer will be Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President of India and second President of India. Next question is, who is the first sportsperson to receive Bharat Ratna Award? Answer will be Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar was the first person to receive Bharat Ratna Award in sports and he is also known as Master Blaster in cricket. Who was the first Indian person to receive Raman Magsaysay Award? Answer will be Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Acharya Vinoba Bhave was the Indian advocate and he got the Raman Magsaysay Award. Who was the first cricketer to get Padam Bhushan? Answer will be C.K. Naidu. His full name was Kotari Kankaiah Naidu, also known as C.K., was the first captain of the Indian cricket team in test matches and he is the first cricketer to get Padam Bhushan Award. The first Indian to get Grammy Award. Answer will be Pandit Ravi Shankar. Pandit Ravi Shankar got the first Grammy Award in music. Who was the first person to receive Paramveer Chakra? Answer will be Major Somnath Sarma. Major Somnath Sarma PVC was the first recipient of the Paramveer Chakra, the highest Indian gallantry award. Who was the first Indian man in space? Answer will be Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to travel in space. Our next question is, who was the first person to reach Mount Everest without oxygen? Answer will be Sherpa Anga Dorji. He was Nepali. Next one is the first Indian to swim across the English Channel. Answer will be Mihir Sen. Mihir Sen was the first Indian to cross the English Channel. Who was the first Indian to score triple century in Test cricket? Answer will be Virendra Sehwag. Virendra Sehwag is a former Indian cricketer and a former captain of India. The first Indian pilot was J.R.D. Tata. He became the pilot in 1929. His full name is Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhoy, J.R.D. Tata.